Hello everyone, this is Sandy and welcome to my channel Sandy Take. So today we are going to see how to extract first name and last name from the full name. So these are the five important text functions we are going to use into this task. So now we'll start in B2. So from A2 to A9 we have a small number of data for full name. So for them, we will extract the first name and last name, and it will be fully dynamic. So if you drag it for other rows, it will work. So now we'll write the formula for the first name. So equal to left. We'll start with left function, and we'll see how it works and what is the definition for left function. So left function, it returns the specified number of characters from the start of a text string. That means it will always start from the left side, and the second parameter is number of characters you want to extract it. So here you can see the first argument is text. So this is our text. Number of characters. So we cannot give any fixed number because it will not work for other ranges. So we have to find some common split point, so that we can find that point by find function, and we can implement here. So here I can see there is a common split point, which is space. So what we will do, we'll find the position for space. So now we'll use find function. What find function does, it returns the starting position of a one string within another text string. That means whatever character or special character you want to search into another string, it will return the first position of that string. So here, what is our find text? Our find text is space. So we'll give space where we want to search, which is 8. We'll select A2. Now we'll press enter. As you can see, we have returned the result, and we'll drag it for others as well. Now it is looking correct, but it has returned the space as well, because we have given position for the space. So you can see here it has returned till the space. So what we have to do to avoid that, we need to give -1 before closing the parenthesis. So now it will return without space. So now you can see in evaluate formula how it works line by line. So you can go formula section, evaluate formula, and then you can check how it works. First time it returned the position 10. You can manually count whether it is correct or not. Then we have put -1, so it will avoid the space. We'll close this one. Now we will see how to extract last name. So we'll use write function to do that. So write. So what is write function? It returns the specified number of character from the end of a string. See, similarly, left function returns the from the left side, and right function will return from the right side. It will start from the end of that character. So first parameter is a text. We'll select the text. Now number of characters. Here, if we use find function, then it will not return the correct number. Why it will not return the correct number? Because write function will start from the end of that character, but find function will always start their search from the first position of that string. So that means it is returning the position 10. So if we put 10 number into second parameter of write function, then it will return till here. So what we have to do to correct this? We have to write another formula here. So first character is same, our text. Second parameter is length. Now we'll see what is the total length of that text string. We'll select that and we'll see. Now here we need to minus first space to extract the last name. Now we'll search space into this text. I will close it. Now you can see it is working fine. You can drag it for other rows as well. Now I'll make you understand how it works. So we'll go to evaluate formula. So to extract the last name, we need to follow the concept length, total length minus first occurrence of space. Then it will return automatically the remaining text. So you can see the total length is 15 and the first space is 10. So it is returning the remaining text is 5. So what it is doing? Suppose this is our text, okay, and it is subtracting this part. Then what is our remaining part? Is last name. So that's how it is working. So this is it in this video. In our next video, we'll see how to extract middle name from using mid function. So we'll see in our next video. Till then, be safe. Thank you.